Imagine the future of affiliate marketing, where the creation of engaging profit-generating videos is no longer a strenuous task, but a seamless process. This future is closer than you think, thanks to the dynamic duo of affiliate marketing and artificial intelligence. If you want to try out the best video creation software for free and learn how you can make daily $300+ commissions on autopilot with instant payouts, click the links in the description for instant access. Affiliate marketing has always been a powerful tool for income generation. It's a strategy where you promote products or services for a commission. It's like being a digital salesman, but with the added benefit of working from anywhere, at any time. However, the true power of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. One well-crafted video can reach thousands, if not millions, of potential buyers. Each click on your affiliate link is a potential commission in your pocket. But how do you create these engaging videos? Enter artificial intelligence. Imagine having a tool that can automatically generate scripts for your videos, analyze what makes a video successful, and apply these insights to your content. It's not just about being visually appealing, but also about optimizing for success. The system can analyze data from a wide range of sources to identify trends and patterns, guiding the creation of videos that are perfectly tailored to your target audience. The automation capabilities extend to creating animations, selecting appropriate visuals, and even handling post-production tasks, such as editing and optimization. This means high-quality videos can be produced faster and easier than ever before. With the right tools and knowledge, anyone can leverage the advantages of this technology in affiliate marketing. The future is here and it's time to embrace the possibilities. Let's discuss the leading software for creating affiliate marketing videos. Our top choice is InVideo. Known for its intuitive interface and feature-rich structure, InVideo caters to both beginners and seasoned professionals. It assists in making script writing, video editing, and SEO optimization simpler. The market offers other noteworthy video creation tools such as Lumen 5, Magisto, and Animoto, each with unique attributes. Lumen 5 specializes in transforming text into engaging videos, while Magisto excels at video editing and social sharing. Animoto is recognized for its convenient drag-and-drop interface and a wide array of customizable video templates. However, for a comprehensive package combining ease of use and robust capabilities, InVideo is the frontrunner. So, explore these tools to find one that matches your needs. Up next, we delve into understanding your audience, a crucial part of crafting the perfect affiliate marketing video. Now that we've explored some AI tools that can streamline your video creation process, let's dive into the process of crafting an AI video for affiliate marketing. Start by using AI tools to analyze your audience's behavior and preferences. This information will be pivotal for your content creation process. Afterward, select the most suitable affiliate product to promote. It should align with your audience's interests and needs. Once the product is chosen, it's time to draft an engaging video script. Make sure your script narrates a story that underlines the product's benefits. Now you can proceed to design your video. Utilize AI tools like InVideo AI, Lumen 5, Magisto, or Animoto to generate captivating videos. After your masterpiece is completed, remember to optimize it for SEO to achieve a higher ranking on search engines, thus boosting its visibility and reach. Then, pick the right platform for your video. Different platforms cater to varying audiences, so choose wisely. Upon setting your video live, leverage analytics to gauge your video's performance, helping you understand the effective and ineffective aspects, and enabling you to make necessary adjustments. Concluding the process, promote your video and engage with your audience actively. Remember, respond to comments, answer queries, and encourage shares. Up next, we'll delve deeper into why audience understanding is a crucial part of crafting the perfect affiliate marketing video. Creating effective videos starts with knowing your audience, their likes, dislikes, and what engages them. To gather this information, we turn to artificial intelligence. AI can analyze audience behavior, revealing patterns and preferences that guide content creation. It's akin to having a super-powered marketing assistant. Incorporating these insights, you can craft videos that resonate and ultimately drive sales. Thus, entering the realm of impactful affiliate marketing videos. The product you choose to promote is a major determinant of your affiliate marketing success. It's vital not to select an item solely based on its commission rates. Instead, your focus should be on something that resonates your audience's interests. Consider questions like, will it solve a problem they have? Does it align with their values? And would they appreciate its quality? Remember, authenticity breeds trust, and trust is the catalyst for conversions. It's all about making wise decisions, and your audience will acknowledge your effort. Crafting a compelling script, particularly for affiliate marketing videos, can certainly pose a challenge. But the evolution of artificial intelligence has simplified this process. AI, as a virtual assistant, understands your audience's language, their interests, and their pain points. It has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, learning from successful video scripts and applying those elements to yours. AI can keep your script concise, ensuring your message is impactful. It can also suggest powerful call to actions that prompt your audience click that buy button. So, don't let the challenge of writing intimidate you. Harness the power of AI and turn your video scripts into a success. Design is what brings your video to life, but creating a visually appealing video can be challenging, especially if you're not a professional designer. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. With AI, you no longer need a background in graphic design. These aids can assist you in choosing the right colors, fonts, and animations to your video stand out. Imagine this, you're creating a video about a new affiliate product. The AI suggests a sleek, modern design with vibrant colors to match the product's branding. All you have to is click a button and your design is ready. SEO optimization is pivotal for your video's visibility. It's the wand that guides your content to the right people at the right time. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can scrutinize hundreds of elements influencing your video's search engine ranking, from keyword relevance to viewer engagement. It can propose the top keywords for your title, description, and tags, dependent on what's trending and what your target audience is probing. AI can also anticipate how well your video will perform based on these parameters. Beyond this, it can aid in enhancing your video's viewer interaction, a critical facet for visibility. By analyzing viewer behavior, it can propose the optimal length for your videos, the ideal publishing time, and even the most interactive thumbnails. Therefore, harnessing AI goes beyond keyword stuffing. It makes the process of making your videos more visible, uncomplicated, and effective. Taking a moment to recap, we began with understanding your audience, their and online behavior. This knowledge aids in crafting content that will appeal to them and incite action. Next, we highlighted the significance of selecting a suitable affiliate product. The product promoted should resonate with your audience and offer them tangible value. Then, we delved into crafting a captivating video script that tells a story and persuades the viewer to click on your affiliate link. Following this, we introduced AI tools for designing your video, eliminating the necessity for costly equipment or technical skills. Also, we emphasized the need for video optimization for SEO, including using relevant keywords and ensuring viewer engagement. Furthermore, we discussed the critical task of selecting a suitable platform catering to your target audience. We also underscored the value of using analytics to gauge your video's performance, refining your strategy, and boosting video effectiveness. Lastly, we stressed on promoting your video and engaging with your audience, increasing visibility and fostering relationships. Remember these points to ensure success in your journey. With the right approach and tools, you can create videos that attract and convert viewers into customers. Creating successful affiliate marketing videos involves more than what's initially apparent. After composing a captivating script and optimizing the video for SEO, there's still more to do to ensure the video truly resonates. One crucial aspect is selecting the right platform. Different platforms cater to various demographics, and the one you pick can drastically affect your video's reach and engagement. For instance, if your target demographic is young and tech-savvy, YouTube or Instagram might be an ideal choice. Conversely, if you're targeting a professional audience, LinkedIn could be a suitable platform. Utilizing analytics to assess your video's performance is another essential consideration. AI-powered analytics tools can offer valuable insights into who's watching your video and their interaction. With this understanding, you can refine your strategy and enhance your video's efficacy. Promotion of your video is equally vital. Even the best video won't generate leads or sales if unseen. A range of methods, from sharing on social media and embedding on your website to leveraging email marketing and paid advertising, can help with this. Engaging with your audience is also key. Responding to comments, answering queries, and using feedback to improve your future videos nurtures relationships, a fundamental aspect of affiliate marketing. Lastly, remember to periodically update and enhance your videos. The affiliate marketing world is dynamic and constantly evolving, requiring you to stay abreast of trends and adjust your strategy as needed. These factors, while not exhaustive, form a robust foundation for creating affiliate marketing videos with AI. Now that you know the steps, it's time to put your knowledge into action. The world of affiliate marketing awaits, and it's the perfect time to dive in. But wait, what's the best way to get started? We've got just the tool for you in Video AI. This innovative software is designed to help you create impactful, engaging videos for your affiliate marketing efforts. You'll have an easy-to-use tool that optimizes your content for your audience. Imagine having a professional video team at your disposal, ready to create stellar content that resonates with your viewers. And the best part? Within Video AI, you could also potentially make daily commissions of over $300 on autopilot. That's the power of affiliate marketing combined with the efficiency of AI. We also offer instant payouts to keep your momentum going. No more waiting around for weeks or months to see the fruits of your labor. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take your affiliate marketing game to a whole new. If you're serious about making a full-time income online and want to earn instant $300 payouts, this is your chance. Click the link now.